For a closer look at why we're not seeing any sort of severe weather threat, at least today, I'll send it over to meteorologist Mikayla Smith.
Yeah, so we can take a look at that satellite radar and we can really see over the last several hours as that rain has been moving in across the area, heavy at times. Right now you can see just what Mike showed you where some of that heaviest radar and that rain is. But areas off towards the west, including parts of the Texas Panhandle, that's where they had the possibility of seeing some storm chances today. But we're not seeing those storm chances. Big difference is where that warm air mass is. You can see parts of southwestern Oklahoma, 68 right now, Altus, 66 in Lawton, but we're in the 50s up here across green country, even some 40s in other places. So because that's where the warm air is, that's where they have the possibility of seeing some storm chances today. So that severe risk again includes parts of the Texas Panhandle and far southwestern Oklahoma. As you go more across green country, it is not expected anywhere for today. And looking ahead towards your Wednesday, still really not expecting any severe weather because we'll be below that cold, or we'll see that cold air again, the warm front staying well to our south. You can see closer to the Red River as you get more towards the Dallas area. That's where the best chance will be. And really the factors that are limiting the severe weather risk is going to be the fact that we just don't have the instability. So even though we have the moisture there, we have a little bit of lift and some wind shear. It just takes one thing of all the ingredients for severe weather to be in place. Not going to be a factor. Now, if we had some of that instability, this would be a very different kind of conversation that we're talking about. So you can see a very active pattern with rainfall. That low pressure system is just to our south. You can see this green shaded region. That's where we're seeing a lot of active wet weather, and that rain will continue, but that warm air will stay well to our south tomorrow, which means again limiting the chance for the possibility of some storms. But we do have a lot more rain to talk about over the next several days. I'll send it back over to certified meteorologist Mike Grogan to talk about when you maybe could hear some rumbles of thunder across the Tulsa metro.